So today, students are asking the question, what makes my hand work? What's in there and what's going on? And they explore it through making a simple model of their hand. Now, some students, some teachers, some kids and staff, sometimes struggle with this. So we're going to talk a little bit about it. So one thing, if students are struggling with it, is just have them look at their finger. And so, what happens is, Dave, with your finger, it
doesn't bend that way. It only bends this way.
It just bends that one way, and it's not rigid. So when students are making theirs, have them think about, okay, what can I do to make this work? And look at joints and look at what's happening simply when they're bending it, and keep modifying their model until they get it working.
Right. Yeah. I've always struggled with this one, but I notice your model here, it only has a rubber band on one side of the finger.
Right. And that's one way to do it is use the string on the inside or the outside and put the rubber band on the other side. I tend to build them with the string on the inside and straws, rubber band on the outside. It really doesn't take long to build, a few minutes. And once you've done one, you can do a few very quickly. In this model, we can look at the string as acting as a tendon, a flexible but inelastic cord, and we can look at the rubber band as working as a muscle.
Right.
And the cardboard as acting as your joints. So that's part of it, is expanding on that model. But the other part of it is this engineering aspect. So maybe we can talk about what can you do once you have a working model of a hand.
Yeah, right. Students can expand. If they get 2 fingers working, go ahead and make 5 fingers if they want.
5 fingers.
See if they can make a thumb that's adjacent to their other fingers there. Also, even if students can't get a working model, maybe a couple students can, have them explain what they did to the other students, and then ask the students that couldn't actually build one, well, look at your own hand, what is it made of? And have students think about all the subsystems that are in this one system. You have skin, you have blood, you have bones, you have muscles. That's the circulatory system, the muscle system, the nervous system even, skeletal system. Let them realize that this one system is built up of many subsystems.
That's true, and once teams are if they have their working model, maybe they got stuck. Maybe look at different kinds of hands. Look at like a claw, or look at what's happening with birds or different animals, and these are all different ways
Right.
they can start to elaborate on their models.
Ask them if they could build any type of hand, what would they make? Would they want to just make a claw? Would they want to make 2 scoops, fingers, maybe 6 fingers? Have them elaborate on that aspect of the lesson.
Maybe it works better to put another finger going over the top. It depends on what they're trying to do. Are they trying to pick up a ping pong ball, or are they trying to shake hands?
Right.